In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an exterior door handle on a Toyota Corolla. This is located behind the front door and on the outer part of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to start off by locating our interior door handle on the front door. Behind it, we'll locate this trim panel. Remove it using a small flat blade screwdriver. Wedge it in between and pry it out. Set it aside. Once that is off, we have access to our Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. We're going to move down to our master window switch and its trim panel and remove it using a pry tool. And pry out. Pull it up and out. On the back side, we're going to locate two electrical connectors, push the tabs down, and slide them out. And set the switch aside. We are going to locate this trim piece on the middle portion of the door panel and remove it. Pull it away from the edge right here. And keep pulling it away. Set it aside. Now we have access to these two Phillips head screws. Remove these as well. Now for the one in the middle portion of the door panel. Pull the door panel away from the vehicle, starting at the lower corner of the panel. Pry out. After that, move on to the back side of the panel. Just locate your door handle cables, the white one on top and the green one on the bottom. Pull these out of the holders. And set the panel aside. We're going to locate our plastic vapor barrier on the back side of the door and twist and remove these three clips. So turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. Once they are out, undo these four clips and pull the vapor barrier out. So just pry them out. Slide the door cables out and set it aside. Temporarily reinstall your window switches. And raise the window all the way up. Remove the connector one more time. Turn off your ignition as well. We're going to move on to the outer portion of the door near the weather strip. Usually here you'd find a rubber cover. Ours is missing, but inside we're going to locate a T30 Torx bit screw. Remove this as well. Just ensure it's loose, as it has retainers that will keep the screw in. We're going to make our way to the inner part of the door and locate these white tabs. Squeeze them in and pull them out so we can remove our handle. And slide them out of the way. Now open the door handle, slide it back and out. And there it is. With my right hand, I'm going to push down on this tab here that latches onto the handle. And with the other hand, install it and hook it on the tab. So put it in place first. Before we fully reinstall our door handle, we're going to go ahead and inspect our rubber gaskets and ensure they're in good condition. If not, now is a good time to replace them, as you do not want water or any corrosion inside your door. Ours look good, so we can move on. Now use your other arm to push down on it. Once it's in, push in and push down. Ensure it works. Now on the inside of the door panel, locate the white clip and push down. Ensure both sides are clipped into place. We're going to move it to the outer part of the door and snug down our T30 screw. Now to reinstall our plastic vapor barrier. Before we do so, we're going to run our door cables through this cutout right here. So feed them through. We're going to align the clips with the holes on the door and push down. And also reinstall our locking clips. So put them into place and turn clockwise. We're going to reinstall our door panel and the door handle cables. Starting off with the green one that goes in the bottom for the door handle. Hook it into the holder and secure the connector. Just push all the way down. We'll do the same for the white top one. Secure the cable on the holder and push it in. Now let's install the door panel. We are going to push it into place and secure our clips all around the perimeter. Once everything's lined, push down on all corners. And that looks good. We're going to snug down our 3 Phillips head screws, starting with the ones on the bottom and the corner. Insert them and snug them down. And our last screw adjacent to the door handle. We're also going to reinstall our plastic trim pieces, so put them into place and push down. We'll do the same for our door handle trim piece. Open the handle and slide it into place. We're going to feed our harness through the door panel and reinstall our switches. Starting with the black one on the bottom, slide it in and make sure it's secure. And same for the white one on top. Now position your master switch in the door panel and push down. That completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.